Hi, I'm Debra Argen for Luxury Experience, and we've got a great maple cotton candy martini to celebrate maple season in Connecticut. How we're going to make a cocktail with cotton candy: 2 ounces of Litchfield Distillery vanilla bourbon, 1/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of water, 4 ice cubes. Shake this up till it's really nice and cold and your water is incorporated with your ice. Let's watch magic happen. Pour it over a big mound of Parker's maple cotton candy, and you've got a great cocktail. Cheers, it's cocktail time from Luxury Experience. You can find us at luxuryexperience.com. Look at our liquor cabinet section where we have great culinary and cocktail recipes.